So, you finally saved your first $100. Congratulations. But now comes the most important question of your life. What do you do with it? The amateur monkey thinks, awesome, I can buy 5 pizzas or new sneakers. This is the consumer mindset. It keeps you poor.
You plant them, water them, and watch them grow into a money tree. This is the investor mindset. It makes you rich.
Why not just save it? Because of inflation. Every year, your money loses 3% of its value. Saving cash is like trying to carry water in a leaky bucket.
We want compound interest. It's when your money makes money, and then that new money makes more money. It starts slow.
So where do we invest? The stock market. It's simple. You give a company money to grow, and in return, you own a tiny piece of that company.
But buying one company is risky. What if the lemonade stand burns down? Never bet your $100 on a single horse.
Enter the S&P 500. Instead of picking one winner, you buy a basket of the top 500 companies in America. If one fails, the others carry you. History shows that over the last 100 years, despite wars and crashes, the market goes up about 10% per year on average. It's a wealth machine.
So how do you actually do it? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard make it as easy as ordering pizza.
You open the app, and it looks like the cockpit of a spaceship. Professor Monke recommends diversification, not putting all your eggs in one basket.
We buy ETFs house. Think of it as atomic pack. Think of it as a pre-packed fruit basket. You buy one share of the ETF, and you instantly own a slice.
If you want to invest in the future, remember this. The magic of compounding interest and time will do the work for you.
But wait, one share costs $400. I only have $100. No problem. Use fractional shares. You can buy a piece of the share with whatever money you have.
Now, the strategy. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a small amount every month, automatically. Don't look at the price. Just keep buying.
Don't try to time the market. Don't wait for the crash. Even professionals fail at this. Time in the market beats timing the market.
Investing is like watching paint dry. If it's exciting, you're doing it wrong. Set it, forget it, and go live your life.
Bonus, dividends. Companies pay you just for owning their stock. It's literal passive income landing in your account every quarter.
Crucial step. Don't spend the dividends. Reinvest them. This activates the compound interest turbo mode. Your money starts multiplying faster.
Warning! The market will crash. It happens. Amateurs panic and sell.
The market will crash. It happens. Amateurs panic and sell, locking in their losses. This is how you lose money.
Smart investors don't panic. They see a sale. When the market crashes, stocks are cheap. It's the best time to buy more.
Watch out for fees. Some funds charge 2% a year. That's a shark eating your future. Stick to low-cost index funds with fees near zero.
Task complete.
The secret to success? Automate it. Set up a monthly transfer. Let the robot do the work so you don't have to rely on willpower.
Start today. Waiting 10 years doesn't just cost you time.
Good investing should be boring. It's like watching grass grow. If you want excitement, go to a casino. If you want wealth, be boring. This first $100 isn't just money. It's the first brick in your fortress of freedom. It's the start of you buying your life back.
You are no longer just a consumer giving them money. You are an owner. Every time someone buys a coffee, you get paid a tiny bit.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Invest your first $100 today. Subscribe for more wealth.